learn your ABC. Colors bright for you and me. Let's learn ABC. Almond soft and warm and bright. Cozy color, creamy light. A for almond. Blush so gentle, soft and bright. Pretty pink with lovely light. B for blush. Charcoal gray so cool and bright. Soft dark shade with silver light. C for charcoal. Dusty rose so soft and bright. Pretty pink with gentle light. D for dusty rose. Earth yellow warm and bright. Golden glow in sunny light. E for earth yellow. Floral white so soft and bright. Gunmetal cool and smooth and bright. Shiny gray with silver light. G for gunmetal. Heather soft with purple hue. Calm and dreamy just for you. H for heather. Irresistible, bright and sweet. Shining pink so fun to meet. I for irresistible. Juniper green so fresh and bright. For a sparkle shining light. J for juniper. Coal so dark yet shining bright. Smooth deep shade with silver light. K for coal. Linen soft and warm and light. Creamy glow so calm and bright. L for linen. Mulberry purple rich and bright. Berry glow with shining light. M for mulberry. Non-photo blue so calm and bright. Sky-like color soft and light. And oatmeal warm and soft and bright. Cozy color light and light. O for oatmeal. Pooch so rosy, warm and bright. Soft brown pink with gentle light. P for poosh. Quietude, calm, soft and light. Peaceful shade so cool and bright. Radical red so bold and bright. Happy color shining light. R for radical red. Spring green, fresh and bright. Happy color full of light. S for spring green. Tawny, warm and soft and bright. Golden brown with cozy light. T for tawny. United Nations blue so bright. Peaceful sky with shining light. U for United Nations blue. Venetian red so warm and bright. Cozy color full of light. V for Venetian red. Wasabi green so fresh and bright. Happy color full of light. W for wasabi. Xmas green so rich and bright. Shiny green with happy light. X for Xmas green. Yellow sea so warm and bright. Sunny color full of light. Y for yellow sea. Zunza soft and sweet and bright. Pretty pink with gentle light. Z for Zunza. Great job learning A to Z. Colors bright for you and me. See you soon. Bye-bye.